Iran's IRGC rejects US President's claim of back channel for talks with Iranian force. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC) has rejected US President Donald Trump's claim that Washington has a back channel for talks with the Iranian force. IRGC spokesperson Hossein Mohebi described the claim as a delusion and said there is no dialogue between IRGC officials and the United States. Mr. Mohebi also said Iran's diplomatic apparatus is not currently engaged in negotiations with Washington, citing what he called the US breach of its promises. Meanwhile, Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesperson Ismail Baghei has also denied reports of unofficial contacts between the United States and the IRGC through officials in Iraq's Kurdistan region. He also rejected reports of an alleged secret US-Iran meeting in Erbil. Mr. Baghei said such reports were part of media techniques and psychological operations aimed at creating divisions among Iran's decision-making bodies. The developments come as President Trump has urged Iran to raise the white flag of surrender as a 60-day ceasefire understanding expired last night. However, he has indicated that Washington is in no hurry to set a deadline for Tehran. In an interview, Mr. Trump said US naval pressure on Iran would continue. He has also issued a strong warning to Oman over its parallel talks with Tehran regarding control of the strategically important Strait of Hormuz. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.